In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish an Unbounce page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your landing page from draft to live in just a couple of clicks and what to look out for so everything appears exactly as you expect. Start with your landing page open in the Unbounce Builder. When you're happy with your edits, head to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This is the moment that locks in your latest changes to the draft version. Saving does not make anything public yet. It simply captures your work, so nothing is lost if you close the tab or step away. If you're working with multiple variants for A/B testing, make sure you're on the correct variant before saving, so the right draft gets stored. It's also a good habit to glance at the mobile view inside the builder to confirm your layout looks good across devices before you move on. Right after saving, look to the same top right area and click the button labeled Publish or Republish. You'll see Publish if this is your first time going live with that page, and Republish if the page is already live and you're pushing an updated draft. This action takes the saved draft and makes it live at your public URL, so visitors will see your latest version. You may notice a quick status indicator or spinner while Unbounce deploys your changes. Once complete, the button state will update, and your page is live. After you publish, open your public URL in a new tab to verify everything. If you don't see the change immediately, do a hard refresh in your browser. Caching can occasionally delay what you see for a moment. Check both desktop and mobile. Confirm that forms submit correctly, and make sure any dynamic elements, images, or scripts are loading as intended. If you're using a custom domain, ensure the URL is the one you expect and that it loads securely over HTTPS. If anything needs tweaking, simply return to the builder, make your edits, click Save again, and then click Republish to push the update live. That's really all there is to it. Save to capture your draft, and publish or republish to make those changes visible to your audience. Keep this flow in mind whenever you iterate on headlines, imagery, or sections. It keeps your workflow clean, your edits safe, and your live page up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.